Hello everyone and welcome on this new deal of the day on the gold from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly leave a comment and share the video. So I would like to say something, guys. I actually have decided to stop this series of the deal of the day because of the so many hate comments received after one of the deal of the days have failed. So again, my friends, please remember, this is just a deal of the day. So it's supposed to be daily signal. So of course, sometimes they will fail. If the deal will fail, I didn't mean to fail my followers. I didn't mean to make anyone lose money. In the end, these are not financial advices. You are completely free to take or leave this signal. You can trade it on demo, but if you decide to trade it on your live account, you are fully responsible for the consequences. You are fully responsible for any potential losses might happen because of the use of this signal. Again, I never promise any profits, but I promise to do the best I can. So let's now see what we can do next with the gold, because the gold actually has reversed by 350 pips far from our entry, and right now rising in around 400 pips in the opposite direction. So I would actually delete now the old signal, but I'm not canceling it. Maybe we'll need it upon the news tomorrow of the interest rate cuts. However, this is a deal of the day, which means it should be valid for today only. I highly recommend you guys to not take this signal if it will be triggered by tomorrow at the time of the FOMC and the interest rate cuts. However, now let's see what we can do next with the gold, because right now I believe the gold seems to be bullish. Now, there actually has been a massive rejection right here on the 4-hour time frame at the bracket of 4175, which means the gold is indeed still respecting the broken level of a resistance trend line, as you can see right here. Resistance trend line number 1 and 2 and 3, and right here now actually has created here a new support trend line. So the market still seems to be bullish at this point. However, we cannot also ignore the support trend line that we have right here as well. If we just simply draw the support trend line like this, and just simply drag and drop the same line that we have drawn here, and just simply place it right on the next level of a support trend line, as you can see like this. So it seems like the gold is still actually respecting this channel. And by the way, guys, what I did right here is simply called the magic of trend lines. I have many videos on my channel explaining this strategy. Now, since the gold seems to be bullish, and if I look right now at the 1-hour time frame, let's now move to the 1-hour time frame. Alright, so now here is the 1-hour time frame. We actually have right here, my friends, a broken resistance trend line, as we can see. So we actually have here a broken channel if we look at the bigger picture like that. So meaning the gold actually has a good chances to retest now the broken level of a resistance trend line after reversing from the current resistance level that we have at the bracket of 4,215. And then most likely we can actually consider buying the gold exactly at the support level right here, and then most likely the gold will continue the rise at least to reach the resistance exactly right here at 4240. Now let me just highlight something. The gold seems to be ranging within this neutral channel from 4170 right here, exactly 4170, and the neutral channel of 4170 and 4260. So meaning the gold is ranging within this 900 pips. Therefore, our plan is to consider buying the gold exactly right here. Why right here, Salah? Actually, let me just be precise. Yeah, right here exactly. Yes, correct. Right here. Yes, fantastic. Because this is, of course, a strong key level of a support, and the gold actually has a good chances to respect this level and then continue the rise. Second of all, we don't want to keep the trade running if the gold will continue moving in a bearish fall below this level of a support right here, because again the gold is currently ranging within this neutral channel. So therefore our stop loss is going to be just like around 250 pips only. Meanwhile, our TP in this case shouldn't actually be ranging also higher than the key level of a resistance at 4244, which will be ranging for around 500 pips. However, we would like to have more confirmations about this trade. So what we can do is simply bring the Fibonacci retracement and draw it from this high to this low right here. As you can see, it actually almost pointing at Fibonacci 23.6, and I prefer to make this as my entry, guys, to we actually can have a better trade. 4191 is gonna be our buy level, waiting for the gold to fall to another 150 pips, and then the stop loss is gonna be around 221 pips, against 530 pips. Hopefully it's going to be in profit. Let me know, please write the signal for you. And that will be all, my friends, for the deal of the day. And in the end, of course, don't forget please to join our free channel of Telegram to receive all updates about these signals that you are getting here from me on YouTube. The channel name is Xtreme Gold Signals, and this channel is completely free of cost. You don't have to pay anything at all. You can just simply find the link in the description below of this video. In the end, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.